Welcome back to Limestone Fishing, everybody. In this video, I'm going to cover a topic super quick on my Garmin ECHOMAP UHD 75sv, and that is how to start your quick draw contours. So we're going to come to our chart plotter here. The first way to do it is you just click on your charts. I'm going to use fishing charts, and then you click on menu, quick draw contours, and start recording. That's one way to do it. The other way to do it is from your split screen menu. You can click on your map to bring it into focus. You press menu, quick draw contours, start recording. And the last way to do it, which is a little bit faster, you just press on menu, fish chart, quick draw contours, start recording. And that's all there is to it. Super quick, super easy. I hope this video helps some of you out who may be new to using this unit. I'm still fairly new myself, so as I figure out how to do new cool things with this unit, I'll make more videos on how you can do it too. Until next time, be good. I'll catch you later.